Today we're going to be unboxing this cool armor I got. Here's the box. I'm gonna set you guys down right here and let's unbox it. So I'm using just shears for this because I don't have any other things to unbox it with. Kind of destroy the box a little bit. Did I say that? Here it is. And let's unbox the smoke alarm itself. If I could get it. Here's the manual. Please see manual. And the mounting bracket. And the alarm itself. Oh, and the packet of screws and stuff. I'll just leave that right there. And then here's a warning sticker about the smoke alarm activation thing. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's 2022, so you know. Here's a battery inside of it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna activate it in this video because my mom was sleeping, so yeah. But yeah, it's a Model I 1040 ionization with hush and stuff, so yeah. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Everybody have a good day and bye.